would like to applaud Avontel and its entire family of engineers and scientists and developers for really putting in your efforts and making sure that this has happened in time and uh, and have therefore added to the credibility of the Indian industry. I have heard about Avantel and I'm here today because of my friends Mr. Naveen Nandigama and Mr. Chinsachnanda, both of whom are associated with Avantel. And I would like to thank them for making me a participant to this significant event. The private sector in India is hesitant to venture into the defense sector because they feel that the project timelines are rather long, technologies are complex, quality standards are stringent, sometimes volumes are low and inconsistent, and product support is demanded after a long time after it's delivered. Unfortunately, many of these factors are true. To be successful and a sustained supplier of military equipment, one needs excellent R&D resources, including engineers of high caliber, good infrastructure, high quality standards, the ability to prove the equipment in diverse climatic conditions, and the wherewithal to provide maintenance support in the field at widely dispersed locations. So therefore, endurance is definitely a requisite quality that defense suppliers or those who aspire to be defense suppliers have to have. In India, only a few big firms from the private sector are showing interest to take on the challenge and to enter the defense sector. Small firms or SMEs, small and medium enterprises, are operating as subcontractors to major PSUs and also to the private sector firms. But they are sustaining there by virtue of their unique and niche areas of strength. Mostly they limit their operations to production of products to a frozen design. This build-to-print operation is also welcome. India needs a large production base for defense technologies. We have created excellent defense research labs. We have created a number of excellent defense PSUs, and we have a big range of ordnance factories, manufacturing a wide range of products. These facilities have been built up assiduously over a period of time and with great tenacity. And they do play a significant role in the nation's self-reliance and the defense preparedness. We produce nearly 20,000 worth of defense stores annually in India of high quality. Now what we are looking for is the private sector to complement these capabilities and to further build on the base that we've already built over a period of time. And I think the private sector can do it by coming into areas that complement the capabilities that already exist and in bringing in newer technologies. And this is what we in the ministry and government are hoping would happen over a period of time. Besides all this, we import a lot of sophisticated weapons and platforms in a big way. As an emerging nation, we need to play our part in the global scenario.